Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on FIO protocol. The price line of FIO is dropped at a very critical support. Previously, we were watching that it was breaking out a very big symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame, but could not continue its rally to the upside. And after this big move, the price line dropped down again. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price line is going to have a reversal from here or it is going to break down the support. And before moving to this analysis or starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to the chart. And this is the weekly time frame. And previously, when I showed you in my previous video, we were watching that it was breaking out this resistance of a big triangle, and you can see that the price line entered in this triangle here in the month of June 2021, and it was not able to break out the resistance even after several attempts, and you can see that it is not able to break down the support as well. And after this rejection, let me place a trend line here where we have this spike at the tip of this triangle. Then we can see that we have found a very strong rejection or resistance here, approximately at 44 cents. And previously, the price line has been rejected from this level again and again, several times. And this time it is again rejected. And after this rejection, it was dropped here inside this triangle. Right now, we are again at the support. And you can see that we had a long spike even beyond the support of this triangle. Previously, the price line never did this. Every time whenever it tested the support, it never spiked beyond the support. This is for the first time the price line spiked beyond the support, below the support, and reversed back. If we switch back to the daily time frame, and here we can see that the price line on the daily time frame even had some closings below the support, but now it is reversed back again, retesting the previous resistance as a support. Now, if we place a trend line here, because here the price line on the small time frame has broken out another pattern. You can see that we have few rejection here, and we also have some bounces. Let me do place the support as well. Then here price line has also formed another pattern, and this is a bearish pennant. Where is the trend line? Yes, this is the trend line, and we can see that it has formed a bearish pennant that is more visible on the 4-hourly time frame. And we can see that after breaking out this bearish pennant, the price line is having some correction. Now, it is possible that the price line during this correction will not test this support, the previous resistance of this bearish pennant as a support, and it will move to the upside from here, because right now we can see we are likely to have some accumulation here. We had a strong bearish candlestick here and here as well, and right now we are having a weak bearish candlestick, and it's possible that we will have some sideways moves here, and then the price line will be reversed bullish from here, because we have already broken out this bearish pan, and that is really very nice that the price line has broken out the bullish pennant, a bearish pennant, and it re-entered the previous big triangle. Now, if, for example, if the price line moves back up to this resistance of the triangle, that will be approximately at 20 cents or 21 cents. And in case of breakout from this triangle, let me show you what we can expect. I'm expecting at least this target, that is our final resistance, approximately here at 44 cents. And let me just show you the measurement as well. If I place this trend line from this resistance up to this support and place it here at the breakout point, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately at 50 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.